the moment you've been waiting for. A new start, a new chapter, a brand new level. Tenacity Academy. Let's go. Yeah. You've been dreaming about a business, but nobody gave you the map. You tired of guessing every answer, stacking stress up on your back. Ooh. Cleaning houses for the dollars, but the dollars ain't stacking right. You want clients, want a system, want a business that can change your life. So you Googling every question, teaching yourself every day. But it's lonely on that journey when you grinding with no one to say. Here's a blueprint, here's a checklist, here's a roadmap, step by step. We got the templates, got the guidance, got the mindset to get you blessed. Join Tenacity Academy, it's only 15 a month. If you're ready to win, then this is your sign. Don't front, live Q&A courses, checklist systems that pop, earn to start growing, scaling, take your cleaning brand to the top. Join the Academy, stop waiting, get in the room, your breakthroughs calling your name. Girl King, CEO, we need you. 15 a month, you know future can bloom. Yeah. You get relationship and business nice, cause we building CEOs with life balance right. And the discounts, yeah, the perks real bright. From system to tools to contracts airtight. We talk mindset, price points, hiring teams. How to stop undercharging, how to raise your self-esteem. How to create a brand clients never wanna leave. How to keep quality tight, how to lead and achieve. Every Monday through Friday we got classes you can attend. Every replay, savor lessons that'll never end. This that community vibe, this that I'm not alone tribe. You getting templates and SOPs and strategies that hidden. We don't gatekeep nothing, you get all of it. This ain't theory, this is proven. This is tenacity movement, where your business gets structure and your life gets improvement. Yeah, join Tenacity Academy, it's only 15 a month. If you're ready to grow, then this is your sign. Show up, live Q&A courses, checklist systems that pop. Start growing, scaling, take your cleaning business to the top. Join Tenacity Academy, don't wait, come step in the room. Your next level is calling your name. CEO, we need you. For 15 a month, your whole future can bloom. Imagine your phone blowing up with new leads. Imagine hiring your first team member. Imagine finally charging what you're worth. Imagine systems so smooth you don't work yourself to death. Imagine clients on repeat. Imagine a brand people talk about in rooms you've never walked in. Now stop imagining and take action. Join Tenacity Academy. Start today. Your dream cleaning business is waiting. Don't delay. Live Q&A courses, templates, everything